Mr Karthik Sukumar from Autoplanet, Kormanga, Bangalore. Almost a 3-decade-year-old organization, and I am the second generation taking over this.
Hey, this is Ranjeet. I'm the resident of Whitefield. I came to know about Autoplanet and Karthik.
We specialize in car audio and home theatre systems. We understand the requirement of the customers.
As the review states that they actually spend more time understanding customers' requirements and suggesting the right product. One such requirement of mine is the head unit upgrade, especially with a wireless Android Auto.
Today, we are talking about the Pioneer's new launch, that is the DMH-ZF8550BT. One of the leading brands to have innovative cutting-edge technology concerning to audio functionality. Pioneer as a source is so close to our hearts as an installer. A power-packed, state-of-the-art, futuristic, keeping up to the Pioneer's legacy, yet economical is this series.
The tech and specifications look great. I'm eagerly waiting to hear and experience the new head unit and waiting for my joy to come back.
Multiple angles and adjustments that we can go down with. 9 inches of a diagonal screen, a capacitive touch is being integrated to the system. A wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay also been integrated. YouTube videos is one such feature that has been added here. That is the web link.
Yeah, the experience is immersive. The audio quality is fantastic and it is giving a really good version of audio quality.
13 band of equalization that has been pushed across to kind of calibrate your configuration at ease.
The wireless Android Auto connectivity is seamless.
It has wide variety of features and tech that has been integrated to it.
And I'm very happy with the product and the installation done by the team. And this calibration is really fantastic and this is very good. I liked it.
Turning cars into concerts. Pioneer as a source does complete justice to our tagline. So one go-to solution for audio enthusiasts who can probably rely upon these systems for optimal sound reproduction.